This is page 64, part 2. Headphones, please. Yeah. Okay, back to this. We just multiplied by 4 and got 704. So in the steps we were divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. 4 times 176 was 704, so we multiplied. Then we subtracted and we got 96. And then we brought down a 0. And now we're on our divide step again. So the question is, how many times does 276 go into 960? Not 276, 176. Okay, we already know that 4 times 176 is 704. So we can fit one more 176 into 960. So make a 5 there. And then do 5 times 176. Zero, 3, 35, 38. 5, this one's 880. So I have to get 0 here. Bar from there, we make that an 8, and this is 16. Get an 8 here. And then bring down a 0. Okay, look. You know that 704 is going to fit into 800. So you have to do 4 again. And you get 704 again. Subtract. And we get 96 again. Look, there's a 96 right here. See that 96? That's what we're getting again right here. So that tells us, no, that's not what I wanted, sorry. That tells us that things are starting to repeat. We have a 704 right here, and a 704 right here. So the repeating part is the 4, 5 part. So we're going to have a 5 here, and a 4 here. So this right here is extra, and we don't need to write it. So we'll take that away, and we'll leave it just like that. And now checking on the calculator is interesting. 25 divided by 176. $1,420,4545. Is that what we have? 1,420,4545. Great. 1,420,45. Repeating, decimal place, repeating here. And now, on to number 9. Remember the rule that said change the denominator to 10 or 100? We can expand that rule. So let's do that. Or 1,000. So our problem here has 1,000 in it. So, is it 12 over 1,000? Yes. Or 1,000. Could we convert it by dividing it? Yes. But why would you when you could do the simple way here? Okay. So this 12 over 1,000 is the same as, this is tenths, remember? this is hundredths. And this here is thousands. Okay, so 12 thousandths is the same as 12 over 1,000. And that's a terminating decimal. Okay. Write each mixed number as a decimal. So just bring the number over and then put your decimal here and then convert the fraction to a decimal. Okay. So 1/6 is what we're working on. 1/6. Can we do that? Yes, dividing it. Can we change 6 to 10, 100, or 1,000 by multiplying? Nope. So this one we just have to divide. (1/6). Remember, divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. 1 divided by 6. Divide the top by the bottom. Yeah. Put it in a decimal here and a 0. Bring your decimal up and start with dividing. How many 6s in 10? 1. Multiply. 1 times 6 is 6. Subtract, and we get 4. Bring down a 0. And go back to the beginning. How many 6s in 40? Or 6 times what is close to 40? 6. Now multiply. 6 times 6 is 36. Subtract. 4. Bring down 0. What do you see? I think a 40 here and a 40 here. So that tells you that 6 is going to repeat. Look on a calculator. 1 divided by 6 divided by 6 equals 1.6 repeating. Why is it a 7 here? My calculator just runs out of room, so it rounds up that last digit. Okay, so it was 0.16 repeating. Okay, this one here. 2, and the denominator is already a 10, so that tells you that all you have to do is put the numerator right here and you're done. This one here, the denominator is already 100, so that tells you you just put the whole number and then the numerator becomes your decimal. This right here is the hundredths place. Let's make that a bit smaller. And that matches your denominator. Hundredths place here, 100 here. Good to go. Okay, 3 over 15. 7 and 3 over 15, so it's going to be 7 and something. 3 over 15, let's convert that. 3 over 15. Yes, we could just divide it. No. But wait, there's something here too that we need to add something on here. Okay, 3. If you can reduce the fraction before you divide, do it. It will save you some work. So, 3 over 15, can that be simplified? Well, look, 3, factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Factors of 15 are 3 and 5. They have a common factor. It's 3. So we reduce by dividing by the greatest common factor. Divide by 3, divide by 3, and we get 1 over 5. And then look, this here can be changed to 10 or 100. Change it to 10. So multiply that by 2. Sorry. 2. Multiply that by 2. And you get 2/10, or 2/10. So here, all we need to do is put 2/10 with it. 54 and 3 over 11. Put in the 54, and then let's convert 3 over 11. 3 over 11. That will work. Will this work? No. Will this work? Also no. So we just have to divide that one. Just divide it. Go here, and we'll do 3 over 11. Divide the top by the bottom. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 3 here, 11 here. Put in a decimal and a 0. Bring your decimal up. The steps are divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. How many 11s in 30? There's 2. Multiply, so we get 22. Subtract, we get 8. Bring down a 0. Extend the line. How many 11s in 80? There's 7. 7 times 11 is 77. Subtract, we get 3. Bring down a 0. And what do you see? Well, I see a 30 here and a 30 here. So you know that this will repeat. Let's just show that it will repeat, by the way. So keep working. How many 11s in 30? 2. 2 times 11 is 22. Subtract, we get 8. Bring down a 0. 7 times 7 is 11 is 77. Subtract, get a 3. Okay. So this part is all you need. You don't need that part. You just need this part here. By the way, 3 divided by 11 is interesting on the calculator. 3 divided by 11 equals 272727. Okay? 3 and 1/18. So just put the 3 in, and then 1/18 we need to convert that. But we'll have to do that in the next video.